How to highlight important text in your Teams messages. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can highlight important texts or paragraphs in your Teams messages. So the trick is quite simple and especially very helpful when you need to draw attention to certain words and you wish to highlight them. So let me show you how you can do this. So to do this, the first thing that you will need to do is open any Microsoft Teams chat window like I have did. Then you can simply go to this type a message box and from here you can type in your long message. So once you have successfully typed in your message, then you can simply select that particular text that you wish to highlight. So for example, let's say I wish to highlight this particular piece of text, and after I have selected the text, I can simply click onto this plus icon at the bottom. So simply click onto this plus icon, which also stands for actions and apps. And in this particular menu which will open, you need to click on show formatting options. So once you click onto this show formatting options, you can see a number of different tabs have appeared over this message bar. Now from here you have this option to highlight text. So you can see this button right here, which is the text highlight color. So simply click onto this and choose any highlighting color of your preference. So for example, I'm gonna go with the primrose, and once I will do this, you can see that this text have been selected. But in case you find the font unreadable, you can simply select the same text again, and from here you can click onto this font color and choose a darker or a contrasty color in comparison to the highlighted color. So let me choose this fun blue, and now if I go back, you can see that this particular text is being highlighted against all of this particular paragraph. So that's how easily you can highlight important text in your Teams messages. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.